Most people think Wavetable is just a clean little synth inside Ableton Live, but once you stop scrolling presets and actually explore it, you realize it can hang with anything on the market. It starts with 2 powerful Wavetable oscillators and a sub, but instead of picking the same waveforms everyone else uses, drag in your own WAV or AIFF file. Turn on raw mode, and now you're sculpting audio no one else has. Hit the expand button, and suddenly you're not flipping through menus, you're looking at the entire signal path. You can modulate anything, see your envelopes and LFOs side by side, and route filters however you want. Send one oscillator to filter 1 and the other to filter 2, or run both in parallel, serial, or even fully split. The more filter lets you sweep through low pass, band pass, and high pass in one move. Want some bite? Add drive. Want analog color? Flip on the MS2 or PRD model. LFOs become your secret weapon. Assign one to wavetable position, set it to random, and let it slowly evolve. It's not robotic, it breathes. The modulation matrix is what ties it all together. Click anywhere, drag to anything, done. And if you want more movement, hit the MIDI tab, modulate with velocity, aftertouch, or randomness for that expressive feel. Finish it off with global unison. Shimmer creates reverb-like tails, position spreads voices across stereo, and phase sync adds motion without any plugins. And when your session gets heavy, just turn off high-quality mode to save CPU. Most producers keep looking for new synths, but if you go deep on Wavetable, you'll realize everything you need is already built in. Want to master Wavetable and other tools in Ableton Live? Comment Ableton and we'll DM you the link.